Here's some Danish Vikings trivia. Subscribe. Which Danish king led the Vikings during the conquest of England? Is it A. Christian IV, B. Harold Bluetooth, C. Ragnvald the Wise, or D. Sweyn Forkbeard? The correct answer is D. Sweyn Forkbeard. What century is known for Viking raids in Europe? Is it A. 11th century, B. 12th century, C. 9th century, or D. 7th century? The correct answer is C. 9th century. Which Norse god is associated with wisdom and poetry? Is it A. Thor, B. Balder, C. Odin, or D. Loki? The correct answer is C. Odin. What was the primary religion of the Vikings before conversion? Is it A. Norse paganism, B. Christianity, C. Buddhism, or D. Zoroastrianism? The correct answer is A. Norse paganism. Which group of traders thrived during the Viking Age? Is it A. Varangians, B. Franks, C. Moors, or D. Byzantines? The correct answer is A. Varangians. What is the name of the famous Viking ship museum located in Oslo? Is it A. Oslo Maritime Museum, B. Viking Ship Museum, C. Norwegian Heritage Center, or D. Viking Discovery Room? The correct answer is B. Viking Ship Museum. Which famous Danish historical figure is known for his exploration? Is it A. Jens Jensen, B. Erik the Red, C. Niels Bohr, or D. Hans Christian Andersen? The correct answer is B. Erik the Red. What was the Viking term for a chieftain? Is it A. King, B. Skald, C. Jarl, or D. Thane? The correct answer is C. Jarl. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.